Very good evening to all of you. This question number 1, we have already passed the journal entries, correct? With the help of that, we prepared the ledger accounts, then ledger posting, then ledger balancing, then trial balance. And with the help of trial balance, we prepared past the closing entries, yes. And then we prepared what? Final accounts, that is trading account, P&L account and balance sheet. Okay. Now guys, I will help you out with the things what we have already done. Okay. One second. Yeah. Right. Shall we proceed, guys? This you'll have taken or no? Yes? Okay. And what about closing entries? You'll have not done the closing entries. I explained it, but you did not take down, correct? Right? Okay. Now, what is the first closing entry? Correct? What is the first closing entry? Anybody can tell me? With this trial balance. With this trial balance. We'll do it again, guys. I've done it here. Okay. और एक बार करेंगे इसको. Oh, one second. Okay. Okay. Up till here we have done, correct? Now, I'll repeat it once again for your understanding. You have to take it fast. Is that clear? You tell me opening stock is a real account. Purchases is nominal and sales is also nominal account. All others are personal and real. Okay, cash is real, furniture is real, capital is personal account, Ravan is a personal account, Lakshman is a personal account. Now guys, all the items which I have written in red ink are to be closed. Is that clear? Right? So what is the first? Opening stock is showing what balance? All of you please repeat. Opening stock is showing what balance? A debit balance. If it has to be closed, it has to be credited, and trading account should be what? Debited. Is that clear? Now have a look at the entry. Have I given there? Trading account debit to opening stock. Please take down fast. Trading account debit to opening stock. 1000, 1000. All of you are writing? People have already done good. People have not done. I'm repeating it again. In the video, the previous video, this is already done. So people who want to fast forward this can fast forward. Done? Next. So guys, can I say that this account is closed now? Opening, yes guys? Opening stock is already closed. Now which is the next account to be closed? Purchases? Yeah, please answer. Purchases is showing what balance? Debit balance of how much? 9,000. Now if it has to get closed, what you have to do? Purchase account should get credited. And what account should get debited? Trading account. So please tell me, what is the journal entry? Very good. Trading account debit to purchases. Clear? Please take down. Trading account debit to purchases. So should I close this now? Should I cancel it? Yes. This account gets closed. Next, tell me, which is the another account? Sales. Now guys, please tell me, sales is showing what balance? So sales is showing a credit balance of 10,000. Now if it has to get closed, what do you have to do? Sales account debit. Is that clear? Sales account debit to trading account. So trading account on the credit side, correct? So have a look at it. Sales account debit to trading account. Now all these have gone to trading account. Is that clear? Now if you have to visualize your trading account, have a look at trading accounts here. Trading account debit. All of you are able to see this? Yes? trading account, debit, to opening stock 10 units, 1000, to purchases 90 units, 9000, buy sales 80 units, how much? 10,000, correct? Now after that, what did I say? Number of units, 100. Here also it should be what? 100. But there's a balancing figure of how much? 20, which is your what? Closing stock. And closing stock should be valued at cost or NRV, whichever is lower. Right now NRV, you remember it as selling price. In our example, the cost price is 100, the selling price is 125. Whichever is lower, it should be valued at 100. Yes? So 20 into 100, which will give you how much? 2000, because of the matching concept which I have already told you. Is that clear? All of you remember this? What is the entry for closing stock? Tell me. Closing stock account debit, trading account credit. Is that clear? So that entry is passed. Just check. Closing stock account debit, trading account credit. That is the fourth closing entry. Please take it. Closing stock account debit to trading account. Closing stock account debit to trading account. Is that clear? Now, sir, have you taken it? Okay. Now, you remember the trial balance? Just check your trial balance. There are 8 accounts. How many accounts? Out of that, 3 are already closed. So how many are left? 5. Plus closing stock, which is a new account. Is that clear? Closing stock is a new account, isn't it? I have opened the ledger account for closing stock also. Have a look at it. Closing stock account debit to trading account. And this also is what? Balanced. Isn't it, guys? So how many accounts are left now in the trial balance? Trial balance 5 plus closing stock, which is not there in the trial balance, but it is an account, plus trading account. Trading account. Totally how many accounts are left? 7. Is that clear? Now, in these 7 accounts, trading account is a nominal account. That also has to get closed. Now tell me, how will you close trading account? Trading account, this side is 12,000. This side was only how much? 10,000. Balancing figure is how much? 2,000, which is your gross profit. Which is your? So tell me the entry. Entry for gross profit. Entry. All of you should repeat. Trading account debit to gross profit. Is that clear? Trading account gets closed. So have a look at the journal entry. Trading account debit to gross profit. All of you getting it? All of you getting it? Please update the trading account also. This entry E, trading account debit to gross profit. Now I'll repeat it again. In the trial balance, how many items are left? In the trial balance, 5. In the trial balance, 5. Outside the trial balance, you have opened another account known as what? Closing stock, which is 6th account, and which is trading account is already closed. But now which account has come? Gross profit. Which has come? So gross profit you have opened. Is that clear? All of you understood? Okay. So again 7 accounts. Now gross profit should also get closed. Yes? Where it will go? Gross profit will go to what? P&L. Here gross profit is credited. Now gross profit account debit to P&L. Is that clear? Yes? Now tell me, go to P&L. P&L account credit side, you have what? GP. By GP. So 2 GP by GP. GP account gets closed. But GP account is getting closed. Now you have opened which account? Profit and loss account. So again 7 accounts only will remain. 5 in trial balance, 1 closing stock account, another is net profit account. Is that clear? Sorry, P&L account. Is that clear? Now P&L account also has to get what? Closed. What is the entry? Profit and loss account debit to net profit. So have we passed this entry? Profit and loss account debit to net profit. You close the net profit account. You close the profit and loss account, not net profit. You close the profit and loss account. Now what is the another account which is open now? Net profit. Now net profit, who is going to enjoy? Owner. So net profit should be transferred to what? Capital. Entry. Very good. Net profit account debit to capital. Is that clear? Clear? नाउ टेल मी, आपका जो ट्रायल बैलेंस में है, ओके, ये कैपिटल अकाउंट विल नॉट बी 61,000 नाउ. After passing this entry, this becomes plus 2,000, which is how much? 63,000. Is that clear? So trial balance, ये थोड़ा amount change होगा. Any difficulty? Now how many accounts are left? 5 in trial balance and 1 closing stock. Yes, total how many items? And these are only personal or real. All the nominal accounts have got closed. What will come in your balance sheet is only personal and real, and that too on capital and liability side it is always personal. Asset side it can be personal as well as real. Is that clear? Yes. And those items I have already taken here. Have a look at the balance sheet. All the closing entries are over. Have a look at the balance sheet. I said here only personal, and liabilities and capital are always showing what balance? Credit balance. Personal and real as far as what? Assets are concerned, it is what? Always showing a debit balance. So you have put all these items and we have tallied the balance sheet. Is that clear? Any difficulty? Got it? Okay. Guys, now we'll move to the next sum. Okay? Yeah? Shall we go to the next sum? Yeah, you can take down that later on, okay? We'll move to the next sum. Yes. Yeah. Yes, guys. Question number 2. Okay, have a look at this. Please have a look at this. Please take down this sum. Please write it. थोड़ा changes करना है. Instead of closing stock 50,000, you take it as 20,000 and 20 units. थोड़ा changes है. Please take down. I'll give you 2-3 minutes to take it down. Okay. I hope all of you have copied this sum. Those who are online also, you can pause the video and just copy this sum. Please take care of your trial balance, because with the help of this trial balance, I'm now going to ask you certain questions. Okay? Now, first thing you remember, guys, here, items which have come in the trial balance. Please concentrate, all of you. I want everyone to stop writing and first concentrate. Okay. Items which have come in the trial balance. What is the meaning of it? It means that the journal entries are already passed. Ledger account is already prepared. Is that clear? That is when the items will appear in the trial balance. Now, what is the meaning of adjustment? Anybody can tell me what do you mean by adjustment? Adjustment means, adjustment means journal entries are not passed. Journal entries are not, इसलिए तो उसको adjustment कहा गया है. Many people, they don't understand what are adjustments. Adjustment means, tell me. That is why they are not appearing in the trial balance. I once again repeat, items which have come as adjustments, journal entries are not passed. If journal entries are passed, already those accounts will appear in trial balance. Is that clear? If the item is not appearing in trial balance, it means that it is an adjustment. It is an, so here closing stock entry is passed or not passed? Closing stock entry is not passed. What about all other accounts? Sales return, all those entries are already passed. Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay, next. Next step, hear it carefully. Sir, In these accounts, what are the nominal accounts? Please tell me. Purchase is a nominal account. Purchase return is nominal. Sales is nominal. Sales return is nominal. Salary is nominal. Opening stock is the only real account. I am purposely writing in red ink. All these accounts should get closed. Other things I'll write in green. Tell me, capital is personal. Furniture is real account. Debtors are personal. Creditors are personal. Cash is real account. Okay? Now the items which I have put in green will not get closed. They will appear in balance sheet. Items which are written in red, they will get closed. You have to pass the closing journal entries. Is that clear? Yes? Okay. Now you do one thing. I'll again give you some time. Okay? What you do is, down you prepare trading account. Okay? Trading account with 6 lines. How many lines? 6 lines. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excluding particulars. P&L account, 4 lines. 4 lines, more than enough, 4 lines. Excluding particulars. Okay. Balance sheet, 6 lines. Balance sheet, 6 lines. Balance sheet, 6 lines. I once again repeat. Trading account with units. Okay. Units column and amount column. Profit and loss account, and then balance sheet. I repeat once again, trading account 6 lines, P&L 4 lines, balance sheet 6 lines, followed by closing journal entries. But what we are going to first pass is closing journal entries and then post it into what? Trading and P&L. Is that clear? Journal entries will see. Kitna hota hai utna karenge hum. Is that clear? You don't have to worry about journal entries. I hope all of you have copied the format. Format is ready. Okay, now I would like to ask some questions to those who have done first year and second year, commerce. Okay, trading account is for 1 year, yes or no? I am asking you a question. Trading account is for 1 year. Generally it is, the accounts are prepared for what? Year end, yes or no? So trading account is for, all of you tell me, trading account is for the year ending. It means that in whatever trading account, P&L account you prepare, you will have 12 months expenses, 12 months sales, yes or no? Correct? Okay. Similarly, tell me, trading account is for 1 year, P&L account is for? I want the answer from you. P&L account is for 1 year. Balance sheet is for? Balance sheet is for 1 year. Balance sheet is for 1 year. Balance sheet is for, useless fellows, balance sheet will never be for year ending. Balance sheet as on, as at, means balance sheet is as on that day, the balance is this much. You cannot say balance sheet for year ending. Capital as on andre na, as on 31st March mera itna capital hai. As on 31st March this is my asset. So that is, you cannot say it is for year ending. Balance sheet is for one single day. Balance sheet is for, is that clear? And balance sheet, if you prepare balance sheet every 15 days, the balances will change because 15 days the transactions have taken place. Is that clear? So always remember, trading account is always for year ending. Is that clear? Whatever is the year end. Profit and loss account is for the year ending. Correct? Balance sheet is always as on a certain day. It is not for year ending. Balance sheet is only for that single day. As on that day, these are my balances. Is that clear? Many of them, they don't know this basic thing, so I have told you. Thank you very much, sir. So many things we don't know. Shall we proceed? Okay. Now I'll ask you a question in this. Guys, please answer. Okay. Please answer this. Okay. Now please tell me which account you are going to close first. Pakka? What about purchase return? Now I'm just asking you a question. You are saying opening stock should be closed first. I am saying purchase return will be closed first. Reason is purchase return should be adjusted against what? Purchases. Guys, please remember, purchase return should be adjusted against purchases. Now, first entry will be what? Purchase return is showing what balance? Answer. Credit balance of how much? 5,000. This should get transferred to purchases entry. If purchase return is showing a credit balance, it should get what? Debited. And purchase account should get credited. Is that clear? So the first entry, tell me. First entry. Go to what? Closing entries after your balance sheet. First, tell me. Entry. Purchase return debit. Hello guys, purchase return in your trial balance is showing a credit balance. Now it is getting debited. Close हो रहा है वो. Purchase return account debit 5,000 to purchases. How much? 5,000. Transfer of purchase return to purchase account. Is that clear? Now which account is getting closed? Which account is getting closed? Purchase return is getting closed, not purchase account. Is that clear? Now come down to trial balance. I'll help you out. In trial balance, I will strike off this. But please tell me, will purchases show 95,000 or 90,000 now? This will not be 95. This will be how much? 90. You don't do anything. You just have to imagine that trial balance now. Is that clear? Understood? Any difficulty? Khalas, I am done with that particular entry. Similarly, tell me what is sales return? Sales return hai ki nahi? How much is sales return? Here, how much? This should get transferred to sales account. Now sales return is showing what balance? Debit balance. Very good. If it has to get closed, it has to be credited. So sales return has to be credited. Some other account should be debited. Which is that some other account? Sales account. Is that clear? Because it is getting transferred to sales. So tell me the entry. You please write. Sales account debit. It is 10,000, na? To sales return. Which account is getting closed? Sales return is getting closed. Is that clear? Now come back to trial balance. Just see my trial balance. Shall I put a strike mark for sales return? Gaya sir ye account. Clear? Now मुझे बताइए, will this sales amount also change? ये कितना होगा? ये होगा 1 lakh. Is that clear? So I have passed how many entries? 2 closing entries. Internally I am closing it. Now there are other accounts similar to this. For example, drawings. What account? Drawings will also get closed by transferring it to capital account. Drawings will show a debit balance. Drawings will show a उसको क्रेडिट करना है, कैपिटल को क्या करना है? डेबिट करना है. So entry will be capital account debit to drawings. Drawings account will also get closed. Is that clear? समझ में आ रहा है? Okay. Now how many accounts are left now? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sorry, 11. Out of 11, 2 are gone. How many are left? 9 are left. Is that clear? Now आराम से जाएंगे. Now you are left with sales account, purchase account, salary account and opening stock. Yes or no? Now start closing your opening stock. Opening stock should you get closed? Entry. Trading account debit to. Very good. Come down. Trading account debit 10,000 था ना? Is it 10,000? Yes or no? 2 opening stock. How much? 10,000. Excellent. Up till here, any difficulty? Now, how many accounts are left in the trial balance? 9. Plus now you have opened another account known as what? Trading. Correct. But opening is already closed. So left in trial balance is not 9, only how much? 8. बराबर है? Okay. आ जाओ. Come down to trading account. Come down to trading account, all of you. Trading account, debit side. 2 opening stock. Units how much you are going to write? Just check your trial balance. How many units? 10. Amount is 10,000. Clear? Are you all getting it? I am going very slowly. In the video, if you are feeling it very slow, you can fast forward it 1.5 times or 2x. You can watch it. Now, should I cancel this opening stock? Yes, sir. Opening stock is also getting closed. Khatam ho gaya, sir. 8 accounts plus one more account left is trading account. Is that clear? Now, tell me, another 3 reds are there. Purchase, sales and salary. Okay. Purchase account. Shall we close it? Yes? Okay. But purchase account is how much? 90. Barabar hai. Yes or no? Entry, 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 entry. Very good. Trading account debit. Trading account debit. Purchase account actually showing a debit balance. It should now get what? Credited. 2 purchases. 90,000. 90,000. Sir, in our trial balance it is 95. No. After passing this first entry, A, purchases have come down by how much? 5,000. Is that clear? That you have to remember. I hope it is clear. All of you are able to understand? Very much clear? All of you give me a thumbs up. Able to understand? Great. Now, come down to trading account. What should I write here? 2. Now, one second, guys. Some people know, sir, I want to show purchase return here. Only for presentation. Only for purchase return you can show only for presentation. Everything will come just by closing entries. Now tell me, go back to your trial balance. How many units are there for purchases? 95, no? But purchase return are 5 units. So net purchase are how much? 90 units. So what you can show is 95 less purchase return how much? 5. Net is 90. For 90 the cost is how much? 90,000. Is that clear? This is only for presentation. Some people say, sir, I'll show only purchases 90 units, 90,000. Chalega, no problem. Is that clear? Understood? समझ में आ रहा है? Okay. Sir, I have closed that account. Purchase account गया. बचा क्या? Sales and salary. First, I'll close sales account. Sales account. Yes? Now, sales will be 80 units, 88 units or 80 units? 80, because this is after returns it has become what? 80. This had become 90. बराबर है? Yes or no? Okay, now tell me, sales is showing what balance? Credit balance. Yes or no? Sales is showing a credit balance of 1 lakh. It should now get debited. Entry. Sales account debit. Sales account debit. Very good. Sales account debit to trading, because these are trading items. How much should I write here? 1 lakh 10 or 1 lakh? Why 1 lakh? Because sales return are adjusted with sales. Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay. Now, go to trading account. What should I write? By sales. Sir, I want to show the sales returns also. No problem. How many units? 88 units. Less sales returns 8 units. Net sales is इसका selling price है 1 lakh. Is that clear? Okay, I'll go to trial balance. I will cancel sales account also, because this is also closed. Is that clear? Now, how many accounts are done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are gone out of 11. Yes? How many are left? Array, out of 11, 5 are gone. How many are left? Here 6 are left. Plus trading account. Total 7 accounts are left. Is that clear? Okay. Now salary account also will close. But salary is an indirect expense. It will not come in trading account. It will come in what? P&L account. Is that clear? Now salary is showing what balance here? Answer, debit. If it has to be closed, it has to be credited. And what should be debited? Profit and loss should be debited. आ जाओ. Entry. Profit and loss account debit. 2000 na? To salary expense, which is 2000. Clear? आ जाओ. Go to P&L, debit side, to salary expense. 2000. All of you there with me? Okay. When you work along with me, you'll understand the process. Is that clear? Now I'll go to trial balance. I'll close this. Sir, salary expense is also gone. All the nominal accounts are closed except 2 nominal accounts. One is trading account, another is what? P&L account. Is that clear? Now, see, generally, closing stock छोड़ के, if any other adjustments are done there, first do the adjustment and then start closing the items in trading account, in trial balance. I once again repeat, here closing stock is an adjustment. Clear? If any other adjustments are there, I once again repeat, first you have to do the adjustments. First you have to do the other than closing stock, because closing stock anyway is the last entry. Is that clear? Do all the other adjustments. Update the trial balance, because once you do the adjustments, you will get an updated trial balance. Then trial balance items should get what? Closed. So process कैसा है बोलो? एक बार trial balance prepare किया and adjustments are there. So directly items in trial balance you will close, or first you will do the adjustments? First the adjustments. Then you get the updated trial balance. Updated? Then updated trial balance should get what? Closed. Understood? This is a procedure. This is a procedure. Is that clear, guys? I am telling you this procedure, which is very, very important. Now, anyway, closing stock entry. Now, closing stock entry, tell me the entry for closing stock. Everyone knows the entry for closing stock. Entry. Matching concept. Closing stock account debit to trading account. What account? Trading account. आ जाओ. Pass the entry. Closing stock account debit. Matching concept के लिए. Yesterday I have spoken about why closing stock account is debited and trading account is credited. Which concept? Matching concept. It is valued at 20,000 दिया है. Yes or no? Any difficulty? Now come back and update your trading account by closing stock. How many units? 20 units. Units should tally. 100 plus 90, 10 plus 90 is 100, 80 plus 20 is also 100, which is valued at 20,000. Now shall I ask you a question? How many accounts are left? Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are closed. Out of 11, 6 are closed. So trial balance ne ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟ? 5 are left in trial balance. Then trading account is left, still not closed. P&L account is left, still not closed. And one more, closing stock. How many accounts are left? 8. Out of these 8, 2 are nominal, trading and P&L. ये दोनों close होगा. 6 items only will appear in the balance sheet. Is that clear? Shall we proceed? Shall we proceed? Okay. Now tell me the entry. First you close which account? All the nominal accounts are closed except trading and P&L. Which one will you close? Trading or P&L? First you close trading. Okay. Balance karo. Balance karo. Which side is heavier? Credit side? This is 1,20,000. Debit side should also be 1,20,000. But 1,20,000 नहीं है. नहीं है तो balance करो. What is the balancing figure? 20,000. सर 20,000 इज ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट. एंट्री, उसके लिए भी एंट्री आएगा. यू हैव एन एंट्री फॉर दैट ऑल्सो. यस, टेल मी द एंट्री. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट डेबिट टू gross profit. I'm first putting it in trading. Actually, I should have passed the entry first. That's okay. Understood the entry? What is the entry, guys? Trading account debit to gross profit. How much? 20,000, which was the balancing figure. Clear? Now you have to close GP account also. Close the GP account. Tell me. Illi gross profit credit aite, correct? So gross profit should now get what? And credited to P&L. Yes or no? Entry. Gross profit account debit 20,000 to profit and loss account 20,000. Correct? Any difficulty? आ जाओ. Come down here. सर ये इधर ही आएगा ना ट्रांसफर. ओके. यस. 2GP by GP. All of you are getting it? By gross profit. How much? 20,000. Is that clear? Hello. Stop here. I want to ask you all some question. Okay? एंट्री तो मारा है आपने. ये दोनों एंट्री देखो. Have a look at these two entries which I have written in red. Okay? Now if I gross profit credit, gross profit debit, ये दोनों अकाउंट निकाला तो बचेगा क्या? Trading account debit to P&L. Can I pass this entry also? Yes. Then I have bypassed that account known as what? GP. I have not opened GP account at all. Understood? Is it possible? Possible. I am bypassing it. So what entry can you pass to close your trading account? Now if you pass this entry, trading account debit to P&L, then इधर थोड़ा presentation change होगा. इधर कैसा आएगा मालूम है? Instead of GP, you will write it as to P&L. In bracket you can write what? GP. Are you understood? And down same thing. Down same thing. You can write here what? By trading account. By not GP here, by trading. Are you understood or no? By trading account in bracket GP. Now tell me, if I write here to P&L and here by trading, it means that have I opened GP account or have I not opened GP account? But the effect is one and the same. Is that clear? Have you seen this anywhere in some of the books? They have written here to P&L, in bracket they have written what? GP. That is also right. It means that they have not opened which account? But anyway, better you open what? Gross profit. Understood? All of you? समझ में आ रहा है? So have I in our sum here, have I bypassed GP account or have I opened GP account? I have opened GP account. Is that clear? Okay, come down. Next. Hello. Now P&L account. Hai? Now P&L account you have to close, correct? Which side is heavier? Credit side is heavier. Kitna? The same balance you write here, 20,000. What is the balancing figure? Huh? Is very good. Net profit. 18,000 net profit. Tell me the entry. P&L account debit to net profit. Clear? P&L account debit to net profit. All of you got it? Now guys, I'll pass the entry. Please tell me. What did you say? Profit and loss account debit 18,000, 18,000 to net profit 18,000. Net profit 18,000. That entry I have already done in P&L. Now P&L account is also closed, but net profit account is opened. Net profit, who is going to enjoy? Owner, and owner's balance is represented by capital account. Now transfer it. Very good. Net profit account debit. Net profit account debit. How much? 18,000 to capital account. To capital account 18,000. Clear? Now I will adjust this in trial balance. Net profit has gone to capital. Capital has increased ना? Capital has increased. आ जाओ अभी देखो. Now capital account will be 1 lakh or plus 18,000? 1 lakh 18,000. Is that clear? Yes guys. Now wait. There is another bypass account here. I have opened net profit account. Now have a look at it. Come down to the journal entries. Okay, ये दो account देखो. Suppose if I say, sir, net profit account credit, net profit account debit, ये दोनों close करना चाहता हूँ मैं. I don't want to open this account. If I want to bypass this account, tell me what is the entry? P&L account debit to capital account. Now tell me, can I bypass that account net profit? Answer, I can bypass. If I have passed this entry P&L to capital without opening net profit, then how it will be shown in the P&L account? Should I show it as net profit or directly to capital? So P&L account debit to capital. In bracket I will put it as what? Net profit. But the journal entry is P&L account debit to capital. Is that clear? So I need not open net profit account. I can bypass it. Possible. Is that clear? But for your understanding, you have studied like this only. Net profit goes to balance sheet, you said. It doesn't go to balance sheet, it goes to what? Capital. Is that clear? Balance sheet, there are many items. Is that clear? Any difficulty? Okay, now I will not prepare the balance sheet. I will help you to prepare the balance sheet with my updated trial balance. Is that clear? Now have a look at this trial balance. All of you visible? Hello? Visible? Now I'll ask you questions. Balance sheet hai? Go to the first item. First item is what? Capital account. Capital account, where does it come? Capital and liability side. Go and write capital and liability side. Right there. Capital account. Okay. Inner column 1 lakh. Why inner column 1 lakh? Because profit is 18,000. Yes or no? Clear? Right there. Inner column 1 lakh. Add net profit. Add net profit 18,000. This is just for presentation. Ultimately, it will be shown as 1 lakh 18 only. Add net profit how much? Add net profit 18,000. Outer column 1 lakh 18,000. So this item is taken. This item is taken. Second item. Please tell me which is the second item. Furniture is showing what balance? Debit balance. Debit balance always assets. Go to assets. Furniture 20,000. Furniture 20,000 asset side. Debtors. Debtors, where will you write? Because it is a debit balance, it will go to what? Asset. See, very simple. All debit balance which are not cancelled, chhod ke, are all assets only. And all credit balance are capital and liability. Is that clear? 15,000 asset. Then बाकी सब close हो गया. इधर है देखो. हाँ. Creditors कितना है? 37. Yes or no? Where it will come? Liability side. Very good. And then cash, where it will come? Asset. There is one more item which we have left. Very good. Closing stock, which is not coming in the trial balance, but it is an account. It's an asset that will also come on the asset side, which is 20,000. Is that clear? 20,000 asset आया तो रे closing stock, उसका एक ledger account है ना? Yes or no? Please put it and finish off the balance sheet and tell me what is the balance sheet total. 1 लाख 1,55,000 is the balance sheet total. समझ में आ रहा है? Shall we update? Okay, please help me once again. You have done it. Now you help me out. What should I write here? Once again, tell me. Fast. Capital 1 lakh plus net profit 18,000. Outer column 1,18,000. Next, furniture. Furniture कितना है? 20,000. Next, debtors. How much? 15,000. Next, cash. How much? 1 lakh. Then next, closing stock. How much? 20,000. Next, creditors. कितना? 37,000. Total 1,55,000. That's it. Is it very simple? Clear? Now tell me, with the help of trial balance, I have prepared trading account, P&L account and balance sheet. Yes? Be careful with the adjustments. That's it. I once again repeat, items which have already appearing in the trial balance, items which are already appearing in the trial balance, journal entries already passed or yet to pass? Are answer, all items already appearing in the trial balance, journal entry is already passed or yet to pass? Journal entry is already passed. Items appearing outside the trial balance means these are all adjustments. Adjustments, journal entry is passed or yet to pass? Journal entry is yet to pass. And when you pass the journal entries, items in the trial balance will get affected. Is that clear? Understood? Clear? Okay. Shall we proceed? Any difficulty? Any difficulty? Okay. Now, come down. I hope all of you are with me. Okay. Come down. Okay. Look at this question. It's a very simple question. Arey, sir, ये फालतू question है. How many times you are taking, sir? 10, 90, 80, 20. What is 10, 90, 80, 20? You remember? 10 is opening stock, 90 is purchases, 80 is sold, 20 is closing stock. So when I tell you 10, 90, 80, 20, you should remember this. And this example I am going to take throughout your CA foundation and CA intro also. Because this is such a very, very important example. Okay, tell me, in this sum, opening stock is given? Yes? Though trial balance is not given, but you can tell me the entries now. Please tell me the entries. Fast, fast, fast. Entry, entry, entry. अरे entry बोलो क्या? What to opening stock? Entry बोलो. Trading account debit to ಈ ತರ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನಂಗ ಅರ್ಧ ಮುರ್ಧ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಅರ್ಧ ಹಜಾಮತಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ how much 10 units 10 into 100 is how much 1000 simple sum hai next is purchases 90 units at 100 each 9000 entry bolo are you telling me you're telling me the closing entries yes or no two purchases how much 99,000 correct next sales is 80 units at 125 each very good sales account debit trading account credit how many units 80 units at barabar hai clear okay next this is 100 this should also be so closing stock is tell me the entry for closing stock don't make that mistake now entry trading account is credited and closing stock is debited so closing stock account debit by to trading account yes or no kitna it should be valued at 100 rupees or it should be valued at 125 whichever is lower conservatism concept which concept is that clear don't show aggressive statement is that clear okay abhi 12,000 इधर 12,000 जीपी कितना है जीपी एंट्री बोलो ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट डेबिट टू जीपी हो गया. अंडरस्टूड. बाद में पी एंड एल अकाउंट आएगा. राइट नाउ आई एम नॉट वरीड अबाउट व्हाट पी एंड एल. अप टिल हियर क्लियर. नाउ दिस जीपी हैज टू बी ब्रॉट डाउन टू बाय जीपी एंट्री. जीपी अकाउंट डेबिट. Keep on telling the entries. 2000. Keep on telling the entries. Then P and L should get what? Closed. Tell me the entry. Array, tell me the entry. Profit and loss account debit to net profit. How much? 2000. So in this sum, what is the net profit? 2000. Gross profit was also 2000 because there are no indirect expenses. Is this sum simple? Is this sum simple? Take down question 3 and write the answer. Now guys, I hope all of you have taken question number 4. Okay, I'll read question number 4. Opening stock 10 units 100 each. Purchases 90 units 100 each. Sales 80 units 125 each. There is loss by fire also. Yes or no? Okay, now please tell me, hello, please tell me what should be the closing stock here. How many units? In this sum, what is the closing stock? Is it 20 units or 15 units? Please tell me how it is 15 units. Sir, 10 units are opening stock, purchases is 90, 100 is goods available for sale, goods available for sale. Out of 100, 80 is sold. So how much is left? 20. But out of 20 also, how much is lost? 5 is lost by fire. So closing stock has to be how much? 15. So this is the first step you have to understand. So in this sum, closing stock is 15. Is that clear? Now, let us assume opening stock is already there. Purchase account you have already passed. Sales entry of passed. Purchase entry of passed. Loss by fire you have not passed the entry. Is that clear? Understood? One by one, keep on telling me. Opening stock, where should I take? Tell me the entry. Entry bolo. Trading account debit to opening stock. How many units? 10 units. How much? 1000. Clear? Okay, next. Very good. Trading account debit to purchases. How much? 90. How much? 9000. Very good. Sales account debit to trading. So buy sales account 80 units at 10,000. What about abnormal loss entry? Go back to your basics which I have taught you all. Loss by fire. Entry bolo. Loss by fire account debit 5 units. 5 units is 500 to purchases. 3 times Andre. When I'm asking 2, it means that you are saying something wrong. Now I'll tell you why 2 purchases is not the correct answer in this case. Reason is you have already closed purchase account. When you have closed purchase account, how can you adjust with purchase? Useless fellows. Purchase account close hai tilo. No sir, then I should have passed loss by fire to purchases first and then I should have closed what? Purchases. We made a mistake sir. Not necessary. That is why this is case A. Case A ऐसा हो सकता है ना? Now just imagine a factory. Okay? Hello? Pranav is an accountant. He is not a bookkeeper. He is preparing trading account, P&L account, balance sheet. Pranav starts preparing trading account. Okay? And he writes trading account debit to opening stock. He passes the entry. Then trading account debit to purchases. Pass kiya. After passing that entry, let us say sir is a storekeeper. I come running to the accountant. Hey, Pranav. There are 5 units which are lost by what? Fire. What will Pranav say? Sir, I have already closed what? purchase account. Purchase account once closed cannot be what? Reopened. Fair enough. No problem. Still you can pass an entry. Entry is loss by fire account debit to no. 1 second. Here it is 100 units. Units should match or no? Here also should be 100 units. What is the closing stock? Tell me the closing stock entry first. Closing stock account debit to trading. How much? 15, not 20. And this will be valued at cost. 15 into 100. 100 is the cost. Kitna hoga? 1500. Yes or no? Clear? Now tell me, this should tally na units. Hello. Here if it is 100, here if it is 100, here also it should be 100. But here it is 95 on the credit side. So 5 इधर आना चाहिए. So इधर क्या आना चाहिए? क्या आना चाहिए? By loss by fire. Or I can put it as abnormal loss. I can use the word by loss by fire or abnormal loss. Chalega. Abnormal loss is nothing but loss by fire. Understood? How many units? And abnormal loss is also valued at cost. How much? 500. So what is the journal entry? I'll thoda change karunga isko. Is that clear? Instead of loss by fire, I'll put it as what? Abnormal loss. Tell me. Abnormal loss debit 500 to just like a closing stock entry. Instead of closing stock, it will be abnormal loss. Understood? Now tell me, matching concept ho gaya. Either 100, either be 100. Will your GP change? Yes? Okay. Let me see how many of you are right. Whether your GP changes or no. Tally. 12,000. इधर भी कितना आना चाहिए? ये 12,000 है ना? 12,000 here also 12,000. What is GP? 2 GP. 2 GP. How much? GP is not changing. Sir, how come GP is not changing? GP will not change. GP will not change. GP will? Okay. Now, please answer this. Please answer. I'll ask you some questions. Answer it carefully. This is very, very interesting. Opening stock account gets closed. Answer. You have already closed the trading account also. Okay. I am asking you some questions. Please answer. Opening stock is closed. Closed. Purchase account is closed. Closed. Sales account is closed. Closed. Trading account is closed. Closed. Because 2 GP you have already passed. So GP account is left. So GP also will close. Will come here by GP. GP account is also getting closed. What is left is closing stock, which will come in the balance sheet. Which will come in the any other account is left. I am asking you a question. Is any other account left in this sum? Yes, abnormal loss, because abnormal loss account is what? Debited. Is? वो close नहीं हुआ, अभी open हो गया, वो abnormal loss. And abnormal loss is also a nominal account. Tell me, abnormal loss is also a nominal account. This nominal account should get what? Closed by transferring it to P&L account. What account? Entry बोलो. Entry और एक entry आएगा इधर, closing entry. P&L account debit to abnormal loss 500 and 500. So come to P&L. Here it will be, tell me, to abnormal loss. How much? 500. Will your NP change? Will remain the same as previous sum, or it will change? NP will change, GP will not change. So one more question for your true or false. If there is abnormal loss, if there is, GP will not change. NP will change. Is that clear? कितना है इधर? 2000 NP कितना हो गया? बोलो 2 NP 1500. Now compare the previous sum and this sum. Are you able to understand the difference? Clear? Okay. Now this is case A. Case A is a case where purchase account is already closed. After closing the purchase account, you are passing the entry for abnormal loss. So what is case A? Tell me, case A, after closing what account? Purchase account. Abnormal loss entry is passed. Abnormal loss entry is passed. That is case A. इसलिए ऐसा हो रहा है. समझ में आया? Yes or no? Now, shall I ask you something? Shall I ask you something? Have a look at it. Sir, by abnormal loss to abnormal loss, account is getting closed. So abnormal loss will appear in trading account as well as profit and loss account. I repeat once again. All of you repeat along with me. Abnormal loss will appear in trading account on the credit side and P&L account debit side. It will appear on both the sides. Reason is you have not adjusted abnormal loss with purchases. You have adjusted with trading account. Matching concept. Is that clear? All of you are able to understand? Okay. Now case B. Case B. Abhi case B देखो. Case B. Same sum. Same sum case B. Now Pranav. Pranav is the accountant. Pranav is the accountant. Pranav has still not prepared trading account. Means he has still not passed the closing entries. I come running. Storekeeper. Say, Pranav, bhai sahab, 5 units are lost by fire. Are lost by? Pranav says, very good. I have still not closed what account? Purchase account. Now I can adjust that loss by fire with purchases. So case B is that. So case B is purchase account is still not closed. Is that clear? So tell me the entry. Case B में क्या आता है entry? Abnormal loss. बोलो बोलो बोलो. हाँ. Tell me. First I'll pass abnormal loss. Abnormal loss debit. 500 to. Very good. 2 purchases. How much? Now tell me, purchases were 9,000. Now that purchases will come down to how much? 8,500. Now you start the closing entries. Tell me, first, trading account debit 2. Ellaru hedrpa. 2 opening stock. 2 opening stock. How many units? 10. Which is 1,000. Same sum. Now tell me, trading account debit 2 purchases. Purchase will be 90 or 85 now? Why 85? Because abnormal loss is adjusted with purchases. So though it was 90 here, less abnormal loss. How many units? 5 units. 85, 8,500. समझ में आया? Clear? Okay. Units are 95. Because 85 plus 10 is 95, no? अरे yes or no? Okay. इधर भी 95 units आना चाहिए. अभी बोलो. Buy, sales. How many units? 80 units. 10,000 rupees. Yes or no? Buy closing stock. That is closing stock account debit to trading. How many units? 15. 1,500. Does the unit tally? Yes. Units will tally. Sir, GP will change? GP should not change. 11,500 instead of 12,000. Here it will be 11,500. What is GP? GP 2,000 ही आता है देखो. आता है ना? हेड रे. 2,000 is GP. Now tell me, case A also 2,000. Case B is also, but is the presentation different? Why the presentation is different? Because in case 1, in case A, you have not adjusted abnormal loss with purchases. Yes, here you have adjusted abnormal loss with purchases. Clear? Chalo. Now tell me, by GP. By GP is how much? 2,000. Now tell me, any other account left? Left na sir? Which is left? Abnormal loss. Abnormal loss should also get closed. It's a nominal account. Tell me, entry. Abnormal loss should get transferred to P&L. Entry bolo. Profit and loss account debit to abnormal loss 500, 500. Is that clear? Yes. Now come down to P&L right here. 2 abnormal loss. How much? 500. 2000, 2000. Net profit कितना है? To net profit 15. Now tell me whether case A or case B net profit is 1500 because there is an abnormal loss. Presentation wise, is it different? Presentation wise, is it different? मुझे बताइए, इधर abnormal loss आ रहा है? I am asking a question. इधर abnormal loss आ रहा है, but इधर abnormal loss है. P&L में abnormal loss है, trading में abnormal loss नहीं है. ये भी सही है. I still remember I had referred some textbooks. One textbook they had given like this: by abnormal loss to abnormal loss. And you know PUC 1 and 2 how we were by hearting. Our teacher taught us by abnormal loss to abnormal loss. Then one book I referred, another book. There was no abnormal loss here, but there was abnormal loss in P&L. Then I said, no, that textbook is wrong. Now tell me, both the textbooks were correct only? Yes. Why? Because one textbook, they adjusted abnormal loss with trading account. With what account? Trading account. And next textbook, they adjusted abnormal loss with purchases. Clear? दिमाग में जा रहा है कि नहीं? Are you able to understand? Yes or no? So what is case B? Case B is, case B is, bolo, abnormal loss is adjusted with purchases. That is before closing. That is before closing what account? Purchase account. That is why this is a case. दिमाग में जा रहा है क्या नहीं जा रहा है? इंटरेस्टिंग. अलग अलग है भाई. टाइमिंग देखना पड़ेगा, इसलिए मैंने वो प्रणव का एग्जांपल लिया. अकाउंटेंट क्लोजिंग एंट्रीज पास करने से पहले द स्टोर कीपर इज कमिंग रनिंग एंड सेइंग एबनॉर्मल लॉस. Then case B, accountant has already closed all the nominal accounts. Then the accountant comes, he has yet to pass closing stock entry. पूरा trading account close नहीं हुआ है, आधा अधूरा हुआ है. Then this is the case. All depends on timing. These things you have to understand. And my dear friends, they can give you any kind of questions like this. You have to be very much clear with your accounts. Are you all getting it? अभी दिमाग में जा रहा है कि नहीं? कैसा है ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट एवरीथिंग? हाँ. Now tell me first, from the very basics I taught you all. First I took the important terms. Then I told you the rules of passing the journal entry. Then we solved good number of what? Journal entries, including adjustment entries. Of outstanding salary, prepaid salary, yes or no? Which is passed at the end of the year. Then I taught you all how to prepare ledger accounts. Then I told you the accounting process, yes or no? That is journal entries, then posted into ledger. Ledger posting के बाद ledger balancing. Ledger balancing के बाद trial balance. In the trial balance, see all the nominal accounts. Nominal accounts should get closed. We saw all the closing entries. Then slowly, I took trial balance with adjustments. And only one adjustment I took. What is that? Closing stock. Then I took trial balance with two adjustment. One is closing stock and abnormal loss. Abnormal loss, you know, either if it has to be adjusted with what? Purchases. If purchase account is already closed, adjust with trading account. These things you have to remember. Step by step I am teaching you all. You see all my videos, it is always step by step. So in case, even if you have attended the classes, even if you still want to go back to the basics, watch all my videos, you'll get the basics. Because base is important. Once you get the basics, things are very, very easy. अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ रे, अभी है और एक है. क्या है देखेंगे. Yes, we have 5 minutes time. We will do one more sum. Oh, क्या है? Very simple sum यार. Useless fellow. Same sum only. 10, 90, 80, 20. 10, 90, 10, 90, 80, 5, 15, 4. है? हाँ, आ जाओ. When there is abnormal loss, there can also be insurance claim. Opening stock, how many units? 10. Purchases, 90. Sales, 80. Abnormal loss, 5. Insurance available for 4 units. Means insurance company says you are insured for 4 units. We are ready to give you 400 rupees. Insurance company will never give the selling price, useless fellows. Then everyone will burn it on purpose and say, give me the selling price. Instead of selling, yes or no? Selling takes some effort. Insurance company will give only the cost price or NRV, whichever is lower. Here let us say cost price. Now we'll take case B. First we'll adjust abnormal loss with purchases. Please tell me the journal entries. हाँ आ जाओ. Balance sheet. हाँ. Yeah, tell me. हाँ. First entry. First entry. No, abnormal loss. First abnormal loss entry. First we'll assume that abnormal loss is adjusted with what? Purchases, and then all the accounts are closed. Tell me the entry. Abnormal loss debit 500 to purchases 500. Excellent. Correct? Now these purchases will not be 90, it will be how much? 85. Because 5 is gone, no? Arey bolo bhai. Okay, now we'll start closing one by one. We'll start closing one by one. Okay, now opening stock. Tell me, trading account debit to opening stock. How many units? Which is 1000. Clear? Purchases का काम हो गया, उसको भी close कर दो. हाँ, tell me, to purchases. How much? Less abnormal loss is adjusted with purchases. Obviously it is 85. So 8500. बराबर है? Directly I can put 8500 with 85 units, but I'm just showing you. Sales by sales 80 units 10,000. By closing stock, how many units? 15 units 1500. Now wait. The main thing here is abnormal loss. What is abnormal loss account? 500 debit balance. ये हेड रो मरा है. Abnormal loss is showing a 500 debit balance. Yes or no? Abnormal loss should get what? Closed. Correct? Now first of all tell me, hello, here LO increases, loss increases and asset reduces. वो entry है. Now is your loss reducing because of insurance? Is your loss reducing because of insurance? How much is the loss going to reduce? 4 units, that is 400. Tell me the entry. Let us assume that insurance company has given you a letter saying that we'll give you the money, but insurance company has not yet given the money to you. Tell me the entry. ಯಾರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬರಬೇಕು? ಬಂದೈತ್ಯೋ and ಬರಬೇಕು. पैसा आया है या आने वाला है? Money is received or receivable? Receivable. Anything receivable is always an asset. Who is that asset here? तो बोलो, asset increases. Insurance company account debit, debtor. How much? 400 to abnormal, and loss reduces only by how much? Still 100 is left in abnormal loss, which will be transferred to P&L. Which will be transferred to what? अर्थ आयता? Oh, yes or no? दिमाग में जा रहा है कि नहीं? पक्का? अब मुझे बताइए, थर्ड एंट्री आएगा क्या? एबनॉर्मल लॉस डेबिट 100. अरे 100 बचा है ना एबनॉर्मल लॉस में. सॉरी, एबनॉर्मल लॉस डेबिट नहीं, सॉरी, आई एम सॉरी. पी एंड एल अकाउंट डेबिट, बराबर है. एंट्री बोलो. पी एंड एल अकाउंट डेबिट हाउ मच? 100 टू abnormal loss 100. So it means that here it will be 2 abnormal loss how much? 100. Here pa correct. Now GP तो उतना ही रहने वाला, GP तो उतना ही रहने वाला 95 बरोबर है. So GP कितना होने वाला? 2000. इधर आएगा बाय जीपी हाउ मच? 2 एनपी 1000, नॉट 1500, इट इज 1000. बच गया ना आपका 400. यस. नाउ इफ यू सी द बैलेंस शीट, इन एवरी बैलेंस शीट यू हैव सम कैपिटल हियर. यस और नो? सम कैपिटल इज देयर. हियर नेट प्रॉफिट कितना होगा? 1900. Yes or no? And you have insurance company on the asset side. What company? Insurance company. Debtor kitna? 400. It is only an extract. Here it will obviously not tally because other items should be coming here. Is that clear? अरे समझ में आया? But in the whenever there is no insurance, whenever there is no, आवाग ಹೆಂಗ್ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದು? Net profit will not be 1900. It will be 1000, and insurance company will not be shown. So इधर 400 कम हो गया, इधर भी 400 कम हो गया. Balance sheet tallies, yes or no? Understood? Clear? Any difficulty? So tell me, abnormal loss is 500, but loss transferred to P&L account is only 100. Clear? Now, can I adjust this abnormal loss with trading account directly? Yes. In that case, purchases will be how much? 9000. Here it will be by abnormal loss how much? 500. अरे समझ में आया? Then here इधर 500 आएगा, then इधर आएगा 500 नहीं आएगा, इधर कितना आएगा? 100. Understood? Clear? So can there be by abnormal loss here? How much? 500. And here can I write 100? Yes. What does it mean? 500 is the abnormal loss. Transfer to P&L is only how much? 100. 400 is receivable from what? Insurance company. That will be reflected in your balance sheet. Sab link hai. Understood? So if they give you the balance sheet, you should be able to analyze. It is like doctors. We are all doctors. Doctor को ऐसा पल्स पकड़ के कैसा चेक करता है ना, वैसा we see the financial statements and come to know. So if you give me trading account, in trading account, if they have written by abnormal loss 500 and there is 2 abnormal loss only what? 100. What does it mean? We are going to, either we have received the money or we are going to receive the money from insurance company. Is that clear? Yes? All of you are able to understand? Any difficulty? हाँ बोलो, अभी बोलो. मनी इज रिसीव्ड, एंट्री कैश अकाउंट डेबिट, इंश्योरेंस कंपनी अकाउंट क्रेडिट. देन बैलेंस शीट में इंस्टेड ऑफ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी यू विल गेट कैश 400. समथिंग लाइक मनी रिसीव फ्रॉम डेटर्स. व्हाट इज द एंट्री फॉर मनी रिसीव फ्रॉम डेटर्स? कैश टू डेटर. इधर कैश टू इंश्योरेंस कंपनी. इंश्योरेंस कंपनी इज अ डेटर. क्लियर? हेलो, आर यू एंजॉइंग द क्लास? अभी पिक्चर क्लियर हो रहा है? कैसा कैसा आगे जा रहा है? पिक्चर क्लियर हो रहा है? दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मेनी ऑफ देम दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दिस. इन्न ಬೇರೆ ಐತೆ. आई विल टेल यू वन मोर. टुमारो विल बी अगेन इंटरेस्टिंग. डैमेज्ड गुड्स. व्हाट? This is goods destroyed by fire. Goods damaged. Goods are there, but they are damaged. Can they be sold? Yes. What will happen to those damaged goods? We'll see tomorrow. Is that clear? Okay, I will wind up the class. Jai Hind. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks a lot.